Team Junkyard Dog in the house, and today we are making final preparations for the robot competition in Oak Hill, Florida on March 12th and 13th. As you can see, we're reassembling Big G because all the work we did before, we had to pull everything apart, Loctite, finalize, putting on motor connectors and such, just getting things ready. We're pre-soldering all of the connectors onto the motors for That Didn't Hurt. And you can see it looked like an electronical bomb just went off in here. There's stuff everywhere. Carter, how's it going?
Not the best. Well, could be better.
Rookies. And then over here we have Zeke, or Zeke. I don't want to insult Zeke, but here's Zeke. He got a little tire damage right here. He was scrimmaging with Tyrone, and Tyrone got a little carried away and took care of that tire for him, but never fear, we have more. So what we're going to be doing next for Big G, if Carter can ever get that screw in,
it's the first one.
We're going to be putting his electronics in. Here's his guts right here. And then we're going to pull the bearings out of this beater bar. I think a lot of people forget to do this, but you need to pack that with grease. So we're going to pack that full of grease and reinsert the bearings, attach it to Big G. We're going to wire connectors onto the speed controllers for the motors, and then we're going to install the weapon ESC, and then we're going to hopefully be doing some test driving.
Don't tell That Didn't Hurt we stole his guts.
True, That Didn't Hurt's guts. And That Didn't Hurt, the form that you guys know, is currently and possibly temporarily hanging on our wall of fame, because we have Junkyard Dog Jr. 1.0, Junkyard Dog Jr. 3.0, nothing left of 2.0, and we have Gumbo and Tyrone 1.0. That's Gumbo 2.0. And that's our, as we call it, our wall of fame. If you make our wall of shame, that's because we ripped a part off your butt. We don't brag about that until we actually get some parts up there.
Give us 2 or 3. Come on, just give us some.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to continue building. I'm going to run a little time lapse so you can see the shop activity. And then what we're going to do is we'll just update you in a few minutes. So
probably still going to be trying to put this screw in.
And yes, he'll still be working on that screw. So we got to get back to work. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, Carter, it's time. What are you doing?
He's alive.
Big G has his guts just tossed in. We want to see what he's going to do on the floor. We're going to give him the spank on his butt to bring him to life for the first time. Let's see. Will he move? Whoa. Back up. I can't. There you go. And he died. Well, yeah. That's promising. Your key popped out.
Well, probably got hit by that.
Of course, it won't pop wheelies with that big bar. So he's gonna be zippy though. Motors are quick. Oh, let's see it. Look at that. Every bot builder, when they get their bot running. Big G.
Next up, weapon.
And organizing damn guts.
Yeah.
You got wires hanging everywhere. Looks like you jumped on a hand grenade.
He just threw his brains. That didn't hurt his brains.
We got to build a top plate. And then, poor Tyrone. My little secret that I'm going to have, that I'm going to go ahead and sharing, is I'm going to have 2 Tyrones One is going to be a belt drive running Tyrone heavy, and the other one is going to be direct drive running the light blade. And I'm going to decide which one I'm going to use based off my opponent. So more coming. Let's get back to work. Alrighty, so we got Big G somewhat cruising around. We're going to take his first hit.
Hey.
Let's see what happens here. That didn't hurt. Maybe it did hurt. Test confirmed. Now we got some a pushing battle going on here. Zeke versus Big G. We can't let Carter use his drum or use his spinner. Not ready for competition. Because he has little to no control. The four-wheel drive takes it, huh?
No, you just got a bigger price of weight.
See? Let's go ahead and let's throw them in the box. In the blue square, you have Zeke. In the red square, you have a weaponless Big G.
I'll make you move like your boots are on fire. I'll make you jump like you touch a live wire. Ain't no sitting down when I get in the zone. Just give me my crown, let the king take his throne. I like to groove it. He likes to groove it. You're gonna move it. You're gonna move it. Clap your hands, just clap your hands. Give 'em a clap. Like 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, just clap them for me. Give 'em a clap. Like 1, 2, 3.
We're going to test this drum out. And it's going to be Big G versus a flat slate. Okay, so it's going to be Big G versus a Dorsey. And a piece of styrofoam.
Like 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3.
Well, that's going to wrap up our evening session for tonight. You can see the box got quite destroyed. That's going to be up to Carter to take care of. We're going to make him clean that up. And of course we have all this mess. Didn't get a chance to work on Tyrone today, but we will. We did our test with Big G and he did well. His battery lasts about 3.5-4 minutes, which is going to be plenty. And what can we say? He hits like a train. So no worries about this bot. He's going to do what he's got to do as long as the driving's there. And I said this was Big G, but of course I was wrong. This is Zeke. We all know that. And till next time, Team Junkyard Dog, we're out.